Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to HONOR Pad X8a. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in the first pop-up, allow all in the second one, and whatever you want to in the third one about notifications. You can also choose whatever you wish to in this window about new updates. When you finished, tap on your device's display. Now I need to rotate my tablet real quick to continue. And after that, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive right next to send at the bottom of HONOR. Also on this Google Pixel device, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom over here. When you access contacts and files categories over here, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. After tapping on send, choose got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit input key section below, enter the key. Input all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And then hit receive button in order to connect. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up, and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close an ad, and as you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!